Welcome to The Magic Lives On. Today, we're embarking on a virtual walk through the enchanting Disney's Riviera Resort. Nestled in the heart of Walt Disney World, this beautiful resort is a tribute to the grandeur and elegance of Europe, drawing inspiration from the French and Italian Rivieras. So, grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's explore this stunning resort together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to join our magical community and never miss an adventure. Disney's Riviera Resort opened its doors in December 2019 as part of the Disney Vacation Club portfolio. This luxury resort was designed to capture the essence of the European Riviera, a destination beloved by Walt Disney himself. Walt and Lillian Disney visited the Riviera during their European travels, and their experiences greatly influenced the design and atmosphere of this beautiful resort. As we stroll through the resort, you'll notice the elegant Mediterranean-inspired architecture. The blend of modern and classic styles create a unique ambiance, paying homage to the art, culture, and cuisine of Europe. Each detail, from the grand archways to the intricate mosaics, tell a story of its own. Let's take a closer look at the architectural marvel of the Riviera Resort. The design of the resort is a harmonious blend of the French and Italian Rivieras with a touch of Disney magic. The buildings are adorned with wrought iron railings, beautiful tile work, and charming balconies, each offering a unique view of the resort's lush gardens and sparkling waters. The lobby, with its grand chandeliers and elegant furnishings, welcome guests into a world of sophistication and comfort. As we walk through the lobby, notice the intricate details on the ceiling and the beautiful art pieces on the walls, all inspired by the grandeur of European art and culture. One of the most striking features of the Riviera Resort is its art collection. The hallways and common areas are adorned with art pieces inspired by Disney films, but reimagined in the style of European masters. You might spot paintings reminiscent of Van Gogh, Degas, and Picasso, but with a magical Disney twist. These pieces create a unique and enchanting atmosphere, blending the magic of Disney with the elegance of European art. If you would like to purchase one of these unique pieces of art, you can order your own print from La Boutique, the resort's gift shop, and have it delivered straight to your home. The resort also features beautiful mosaics, such as the stunning mural of Peter Pan's Neverland. These mosaics are a perfect example of how Disney art and European craftsmanship come together to create something truly magical. Let's talk about the dining experiences at the Riviera Resort. The resort's signature restaurant, Topolino's Terrace, is a must-visit. Topolino, which means Mickey Mouse in Italian, offers a delightful dining experience with stunning rooftop views. Guests can enjoy a character breakfast with Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Daisy, all dressed in stylish European outfits. In the evening, it transforms into a chic dining venue with a menu that takes you on a culinary journey through Italy and France. The menu features fresh, locally sourced ingredients, and each dish is a work of art. From handmade pasta to perfectly grilled steaks, every bite is a celebration of European cuisine. Don't forget to try their exquisite desserts, like the rich and creamy tiramisu or the delicate lavender honey panna cotta. Disney's Riviera Resort offers a variety of leisure and recreational activities for guests of all ages. The resort's main pool, the Riviera Pool, is a beautiful lagoon-style pool surrounded by lush gardens and comfortable lounge chairs. There's also a fun water play area for kids, featuring slides and interactive water features. For those who prefer a more relaxed experience, the Beau Soleil Pool offers a tranquil retreat with its quiet atmosphere and scenic views. You can also take a leisurely stroll along the resort's pathways, which are lined with beautiful gardens and charming European-inspired architecture. The Riviera Resort also offers a variety of activities and entertainment options for guests. You can join in on one of the many arts and crafts sessions where you can create your own masterpiece inspired by the resort's beautiful art. There are also fun family activities like movie nights under the stars and campfire sing-alongs. If you're a fitness enthusiast, you'll appreciate the resort's state-of-the-art fitness center, which is equipped with the latest exercise equipment. There are also yoga and fitness classes available for guests who want to stay active during their stay. The guest rooms and suites at Disney's Riviera Resort are designed with comfort and elegance in mind. Each room features luxurious furnishings, modern amenities, and beautiful views of the resort's gardens or the nearby lake. The rooms are decorated with subtle Disney touches, from the artwork on the walls to the bedding and curtains. The resort offers a variety of room types, from cozy studios to spacious 3-bedroom grand villas. No matter which room you choose, you'll be surrounded by the elegance and charm of the European Riviera with a touch of Disney magic.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go.
I hope you're enjoying this virtual walk through Disney's Riviera Resort. If you are, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And now, I have a question for you. What's your favorite Disney resort and why? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. As we conclude our tour, I want to thank you for joining me on this magical journey through Disney's Riviera Resort. This place is truly a blend of Disney magic and European elegance, creating a unique and unforgettable experience. If you've enjoyed this tour, make sure to subscribe to The Magic Lives On for more Disney adventures. Remember, the magic never ends. It lives on in every story, every memory, and every adventure we share. Until next time, keep the magic alive, and I'll see you real soon. Thank you for walking with me through Disney's Riviera Resort. Stay magical, friends.
Do you believe in magic?